hello YouTubers. Welcome to my channel, but Eric says it's annoying. So I'm not going to say hello YouTubers anymore. I'm going to say hello beautiful souls. Welcome to our next adventure. Me and Eric decided to just hop in his truck and head south. We're in California and just see where we end up, and we're going to take you with us. What do you think about that, Eric?
I think that's a great idea. Hello YouTubers!
Oh my god. Anyways, come along with us. Let's go.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mount Laurel high fives for miles in
So we
spring.
found our first stop, and where are we at, Eric?
We are in Encinitas.
And we're gonna go lay on the beach and take a little night-night.
Yeah, Encinitas. I would call this almost the friendliest van life town that I have been in Southern California. It's just after Camp Pendleton, Oceanside. Not many places to go there. And then really pretty town and just full. We'll take some videos, just full of stealth campers and van lifers, and
And
it's
they
a
welcome
beautiful
it. They
beach.
don't
They
care
seem
that you
to.
spend the night. Or, you know, there's one little area that there's a lot of people that sleep overnight in, and we'll show you that when we get there later tonight. There's what right next to us. There's a van. See, we got Eric's box truck behind us, and here we go. This is fun. I'm excited.
Mount Laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden.
It's a beautiful day. I'm super grateful to be here. Yay! What a nice spot to start off our little adventure this weekend. I really hope you guys enjoy this. I just came back on YouTube. I took a break during the pandemic, like I said before, and I've noticed that since I came back, I'm only getting about 100 hits a video, and I was getting about 1,000 before, so it's going to take some time to build back up an audience. But I'm excited for all these new adventures, and I'm excited to start my little cooking portion, and I'm just really into it, more than I was when I first started the channel. So make sure, if you haven't, that you subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified whenever I have a new video that comes out, and that'll really help me out. And if you leave a comment on any of the videos, just even a heart, it really helps out as well, and I really appreciate it. I'm so excited to show you guys everything we're about to experience this weekend. We don't even know what we're doing. Enjoying your nap, Eric?
Not yet. You're waking me up.
You look comfy.
It's a nice, beautiful day
It is gorgeous.
for end of January.
It's in the 70s. It's really nice.
Life is in a stream. The ocean called for you. closest friend. Fear, it's leaving now. I waited here, but nothing came. So
So we're just here amongst other people who are gonna obviously be van lifing it. We're gonna go check out the sunset.
It's cocktail hour.
It's cocktail hour. There it is right there. That's how close you can be to the beach, or some places right on the beach for free, and no one seems to hassle anybody. So join us for cocktail hour. So how is it? You? Nice?
That blimp looks like a spaceship though, out there.
Yeah. Jen says that looks like the Starship Enterprise.
It's close.
It says she has a vivid imagination. There is a ship out here, though. Look at that. We have a UFO going into the sunset. That's spooky. It looks like the Goodyear blimp, but it's so far out. I don't know why they would be flying that far out. But it makes for a nice, put that on high speed and it would be a nice UFO sighting. That's cool looking. Oh yeah, it looks great. Looks like a slow moving UFO. Ukulele version of
Hotel California.
Hotel Wahini.
It's a nice night, huh?
Beautiful night. Well, we're here at a fun little boutique and some interesting mannequins posing in different ways. Wait, what was that weird little mannequin? The heck is that? That's actually a kid playing on his phone.
So this is where we slept last night. You can see there's another stealth person there. And where we were watching the sunset. We slept right here. I really enjoy this town because they don't really mind stealth camping here for some reason. I don't know why, but it's kind of like I would say it's like a hippie town. Feels very hippie-ish. But there's a lot of families here too. So it's time for breakfast.
Breakfast.
And we have a plant power here.
This is the first one.
This is the first one in Encinitas?
Yep.
So we're going to give it a try. I've had it one other time, a long time ago, but
Not breakfast.
I've never done breakfast here, so I'm really excited. Eric and I got the same thing. It's their croissants with cheese, egg, and sausage.
Quote unquote egg.
Well,
Sausage.
it's vegan, so it's not. And they even got vegan ranch, which I'm really happy about. Take a bite, Eric. Tell us how it is. Is it okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good? All right.
SRF grounds and temple in Encinitas. SRF stands for Self-Realization Fellowship. It's founded by Paramahamsana Yogananda. Paramahamsana Yogananda, 1934. So he was crucial into kind of founding this whole movement here. There's 3 SRF temples, one in San Diego, a really huge one in Hollywood, and I think they all have botanical gardens like this, just absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna stroll around a little bit and see more of that. Those big feathery pectoral things on some of those. They're like arms. All right. Did you know this break is called Swamis because of the temple here, the SRF
No.
temple? That's why it's called Swamis.
I thought maybe it was called Swamis and then they built a temple.
No, it's named after that, and just people kind of took that. I don't know if Swami is, I'm sure Swami is a real name, but they just started calling it Swamis for the architecture of the temple and the lotus flowers and everything.
Isn't there a restaurant called Swamis too?
Right across the street.
Look at all the
It's a
surfers.
It's a nice break. It's almost like a combination between a point, not quite a point break, but there's definitely a curve to it. It's like a big, long, rounded. So it's an interesting wave. It's a really fun wave to surf. I surfed it a couple times.
I have a little gift shop here. We're gonna go in. Eric bought me a singing bowl here a couple of years ago. Oh, it's
they're
closed.
closed.
Maybe
Well,
we're not going in.
What the heck?
Denied.
Oh, 11. People are chanting.
A harmonium?
Harmonium. Hand pumped bellows. That's the way all the organs used to work.
I don't know about you all, but I'm feeling self-realized right now. Feeling much better after going there. So that's it for Encinitas. We had a really good time here. Well, I did. What about you, Eric?
I did indeed.
Now we're gonna head more south, and we are gonna take you guys with us, but it's gonna be on the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, it helps our algorithms. And thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on our next video trip / adventure.
And as Yogananda would say, namaste.
I'm like waving to you because I think I'm waving at the camera.